Turtle game. The turtle game teaches the concept of drawing by moving the pen in the form of turtle across the drawing board. This game is used to rotate the pen, move forward and draw shapes, repeat actions using loops. In this game, the user has to move the pen from the initial position to the final position and drawing a shape. The instructions to rotate, draw, and repeat actions are given using blocks. The game has 10 levels. The difficulty increases with simple drawing of a square to draw multiple shapes. To play the game, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the turtle option. A dialog box appears on the screen telling the user what to do. Step 2. Click on OK button to start the game. A tip appears on the screen telling the user to choose a category from turtle and loops to see the respective blocks. The turtle category has two blocks. A. The move by block is used to make the turtle move forward or backward to draw the shape. B. The turn by block is used to rotate the turtle in left or right direction. The loops category has one block. The repeat times do block is used to make the turtle repeat tasks given inside the block for given number of times. Step 3. Drag the following blocks and change required value to draw a square. Step 4. Click on Run Program button to see if the drawing is complete or not. Step 5. If the drawing is not complete, the Reset button appears in place of the Run Program button. Click on Reset button to return the turtle to the original position. Check the block again and make necessary changes. Step 6. Once the drawing is complete, a dialog box appears on the screen and asks the user whether to start the next level or not. Click on OK button to start the new level. Let us play the next level. Drag the required blocks and change their values to draw a pentagon. After completing the 9 levels of the turtle, level 10 gives the choice to the user to make any drawing.